Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locating where the Shein ads actually come from. This matters because fixes differ by source. First, note whether they are in your browser tabs, mobile app, email, or social feeds, and write down device model, OS, browser, and app versions. Once done, temporarily disable notifications and sign out of Shein accounts to see whether ads persist. This quick isolation step separates account-targeted promotions from system or extension issues and gets you ready for targeted removal. Now you take direct action to stop the ads. Install a reputable blocker like uBlock Origin on desktop and compatible ad blockers or DNS-level blockers on mobile. Then audit installed apps and browser extensions, remove suspicious Shein-related or affiliate apps, and revoke unnecessary permissions that allow ad targeting. Make sure to clear cookies and site data and reset ad personalization in Google, Apple, or Facebook settings. This reduces retargeted ads and cuts the data flow fueling those Shein promotions. You finish by verifying the fix. Browse in incognito and on another network to confirm ads are gone. If they're absent, you've isolated a connection level or cookie issue. If ads persist, run a malware scan, disable extensions one by one, and consider resetting the browser or, as a last resort, factory resetting the device. Make sure to back up data first. Finally, keep blockers and DNS filters updated and use tracker blocking VPNs to prevent future Shein ad recurrences and maintain privacy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.